and welcome to DRD Allotments. Today we're going to show you them plants that I said on the last video to put in the bed that we just planted up. So we'll go and have a look. We'll go and have a look and see about doing that. Okay, we're going to start putting these in. So that's we've sort of worked out how they're going to go. So Rob and Gillian are going to start digging them in, and I'll come around with a handheld and see how it's going. So let's get started. Right, Robert is putting cabbage in. There's one in. Then put another one in.
I got two left.
So what we're going to do, we're going to all this bed, give it a good watering. We'll put some feed down on top, give it a good watering, and then we're going to cover it with the environment. So I go down over there. Gillian's busy putting them ones in. I'm alright. Gillian's putting them in, so I'll come back and show you when it's done. Okay, there's that done. So we've watered it, put some feed on. All we've got to do now is before we go away, put a cover on. So we'll see what we're going to do next. Okay, next job we're going to do is we're going to clear these weeds down here, this bed, pull this out. Got some radishes in, and we've got some more lettuce to go in. So that's what we'll be doing next with this bed. So that's that. Oh, then got some rhubarb to pick from over there, and then it's just general weeding. So see you soon. Okay, they're done. I know they look a bit thingy at the moment, but it needs a good watering. So once they get a good watering, it should be fine. So that's them done. Also, I'll take you on a little bit of a tour. These are growing well, and as you've seen before, these as well. As I say, they look a bit floppy, but as I say, once they get a good watering in, it should be okay. Climb over here, and we've got a pump running in a pond, so hopefully that'll help clear the pond. A little bit of water running there. So solar panel down there. So that's that. Strawberry bed, that's where we took that from. So this now needs this now needs a good clearing. So that's our next job. Get into here, clear this, just check the runners on the strawberries and see if we can make some more strawberries for next year. So that's that for now. Well everyone, that's another day down at the allotment done. I've showed you we're putting them plants in, and I'll give you a little bit of a tour of the stuff. So what we've got to do now is just a bit of watering, and that's it, and that'll be us done for the day. So we're going to get the hose pipe out, do the watering. So please subscribe and leave a comment. People coming back and forward disturbing us. So we'll see you next time. So bye for now.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before you